Dad, what's that?
Aha! It's a vending machine.
Oh, so yummy.
Yummy indeed, but it's broken. So we're eating fish today.
Ew, I don't like fish.
Fish is very healthy for you. It's really good, man. Ah, I forgot vegetables. Okay, be right back.
Whoa, a vending machine.
Forget about it, Arthur. It's broken.
Oh.
Yeah, we are gonna eat fish for dinner.
Ew.
Huh?
It works.
I don't know. Let's try it.
Yay! And now one for me.
Okay. I don't understand why the machine was working.
Me neither, but I don't care.
I want a drink. What do you want?
Can I have soda?
Okay, I will get the bubble tea. Yay, it worked! Catch!
Thank you.
Yummy! Cheers!
Hi guys. Huh?
Uh-oh!
What are you guys doing?
It suddenly was working and we took a Happy Meal.
Sorry, Dad.
It's a happy meal, but it's not really a healthy meal, guys.
Sorry.
Well, at least I don't have to fix the vending machine.
Dad, but we always eat healthy.
Can we eat this one time?
You might be right. Okay, one time only.
Yay!
Enjoy your meal, guys. But tomorrow we're eating fish with veggies.
Zero.
You guys want some ice cream from the vending machine?
Yay!
I hope we can find these kids. Hello?
Police? Hello. You're trying to find these kids. They're here at the airport.
They're leaving the country? Oh, I'm on my way.
Come, guys. Come on.
Where are they?
Hey, guys, come in.
Thank you!
PlayStation 5? Nice.
Fight!
We're gonna go swim. Wanna come with?
Later, guys.
Did you bring a sunscreen?
I forgot.
Oh man! Let's go back.
Oh, 1 second. Come in, guys.
Thank you.
Oh, 8th floor.
Back already?
Yeah, we forgot the sunscreen.
Bye.
Bye!
Two more floors. I got them now.
Oh. Oh, hello.
Who are you?
I live here.
Oh man, I must have the wrong apartment then. Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Ooh la la.
I'll never find those kids.
Want to go for a swim?
Okay.
Dad, are you making strawberry milkshakes?
Yep.
What does this button do?
What happened? Oh.
Let's have some fun!
Why doesn't it work?
No milkshake, Dad?
Oh, hi, Dad. Milkshake?
No, it's broken.
Oh. Haha.
Hi, Amelia. Nice Lego you got there. I hope it doesn't fall on the floor.
Amelia, what are you doing?
I have no idea what happened.
What a mess you made. Okay, I'll help you.
Now, what will I do next? Give it back!
What is this?
It's nothing.
Nothing, huh?
No. Please don't push that button.
You need to apologize.
Okay. Hi. Sorry I made a mess. It was my fault. Okay, I forgive you. Now go. Okay.
Whoa, not so fast. Here, take this, please.
Is this for me?
No.
Oh no, please don't do that.
Thank you. Bye bye. Everyone wants a milkshake?
Yes!
Okay.
Car wash anyone? $10 only.
Car wash. My unicorn is dirty. Hi, could you clean my unicorn?
Yeah, sure. Why not? You can wait over there.
Don't forget to brush your mates.
Oh, okay.
Don't forget to brush your tail.
Okay.
And don't forget to clean our hoofs.
Fine.
Hurry up! I need to go soon.
Yes, all finished. Hey, aren't you forgetting something?
Nope.
You need to pay.
But I don't have any money.
No money? Then you need to work.
Okay. Car wash. Does anyone need a car wash? $10. Car wash.
Ah, there's your customer. Good luck.
Can you clean my motorcycle? Okay. Great. Oh, thanks. Looks nice. Oh, thank you. Finished. Wow! Huh? $20? Yeah, keep the change. Wow! Thank you! Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Finished?
Sorry, I was not very nice to you. Here are your $10.
Thank you. I think you even got a tip from Akim.
Yes, he gave me $10 extra.
See? It's better to be nice to people.
It is. Sorry again.
No worries. Enjoy riding your clean unicorn.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hey!
You are cheating!
No, I accidentally picked the wrong card.
That's not fair!
I still have a bigger pile than you.
I won't play with you, cheater!
Hey, don't call me a cheater.
Cheater!
I will get you.
Stop, stop, stop! Why can't you be nice for just one day?
Nice to her?
She's a cheater!
You know what? I have an idea.
What?
Well, here we go. Learn to be friends with each other.
Now what?
Oh, a mosquito! Amelia!
Nope, no itching.
Ow! Face faster!
Door!
You can't catch me!
Good job, Avelina.
I'm still not talking to you!
I'm thirsty.
And I need to go to the bathroom.
What? I'm not going to the bathroom with you.
Ew! That's not fair!
Come on, Avelina. I need to get a drink.
And I need to go to the bathroom!
Okay, first we go get a drink and then we go to the bathroom.
No, there's the bathroom!
Okay, first we go to the bathroom and then we're gonna drink.
Yeah! Okay, and me first. Yeah. Amelia, close your eyes.
A few moments later.
Cheers.
I see you guys learned how to make a compromise.
Finally. What's up, Dad?
Had an argument with Mom. She always does what she wants to do.
Dad, I think you need to learn how to find a compromise with Mom.
No! No! No!